Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Photoshop 2023 and loading the image you will enhance. Make sure resolution and aspect ratio are correct. Next, enable neural filters or the Generative Expand workspace so the AI tools are available, and create a duplicate layer plus a quick mask to keep edits non-destructive. Once set, you will isolate the area to change with the mask. This saves time and lets the model focus only on the region you want altered. You now use generative fill or a neural filter to describe the change. Be concise and specific in your prompt because details guide the output. Then adjust strength, lighting, and color harmony sliders so results blend into the scene. This is why small parameter tweaks matter. Once done, apply fills iteratively. Work in small areas rather than the whole image at once, because stepwise edits keep results predictable and let you correct course if the AI deviates from your intent. You finish by refining generated content. Use layer masks, the clone stamp, and healing brush for edges and texture continuity, because AI can misplace small details. Once satisfied, merge visible or export a copy in TIFF or JPEG with chosen compression. If you encounter artifacts or odd lighting, reduce generative strength, reword the prompt to be more specific, or paint tighter masks and rerun the fill. This troubleshooting approach fixes most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.